Got it. Nope.
Okay, I'm not opposed to this.
I'm not either. It's just how high are we going to clear this?
No, that's gonna have to come down
And then we'll just get right out.
and then pull out.
Yeah.
Okay, can you grab this?
Unplug it.
Well, no, leave it plugged in.
We gotta get this thing.
Oh, I'm
Do
sorry.
you want to go a smidge higher or
It
are we just going to
made a noise a second ago that I didn't love.
Okay.
There it is.
So you're just gonna start rolling until this goes down. And I'll sit back here until it goes down.
Okay, oh, hang on a second. Before we do this, let me slide this back underneath, see if I can come back a little further with the jack. And then,
I think you're fine. I think you're just gonna go this way a little bit with this. Alright, great.
And then we hold this thing while you.
No, this can just go down to the ground.
Well, just, I don't know if it'll reach.
let me go down.
Oh, I see pulls forward.
Yeah, that's what you and I will stand here.
Okay, so guys, obviously the lathe wants to kind of move around. This is balance, it's not heavy. The one person, this is counterbalance. Okay, can I get somebody to hold?
Yeah.
Gotta keep this centered.
I mean, this is fine. You're not in the way. I'll just
You can get it from the side.
Reason out if I gotta stop and stop.
just go slow. That way, I can keep pushing this down as you go.
Yes.
Pull out resistance. Half ton thing.
Good.
Up there.
Good.